Hey guys, it's Sanvi back with another origami tutorial, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make an origami crane. So let's go. Alright, so first we need to take a rectangular piece of paper of any color of your choice, and then we need to make it into a square like this. So let's begin folding now. First, fold it diagonally just like this. Remember that the corner should be sharp, whichever fold that you do. Next, fold the paper in half, just like this. And make a nice crease. Now, fold it the opposite direction. So this is how it should look so far. Next, fold it on one of the diagonal creases that you made. Now, take your finger and just trace along this crease. So you push it up. And then just fold it down. Now repeat this exact same thing to the other side. Just like this. Now make sure the open flap side is facing towards you and the closed side is facing away from you. Now take one flap and fold it around to the middle of the diamond shape. Now repeat the same to the other side. Now flip your paper over and repeat the exact same what you did to the other side. Just like this. Alright, so if you did those two steps, your creation should look just like this. Now, there'll be this little triangle at the top. Fold that in so that it's facing towards you. So that the point is facing towards you. Then flip it over and do the same thing. Just like this. And make sure there's a really strong crease at that side. Alright, now grab onto one of the flaps and just push this aside and fold this flap inside. Now go back. Then take this flap and fold it in as well. The paper is going to get harder and harder to fold, so press hard. Now flip your paper over and repeat the same step. And I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Alright guys, so it should look like this. Now open all the flaps. It should look like this. Now take one layer and fold it up. Just like this. And then take these two sides and push them down. Do it slowly so you can actually fold the creases properly. Now flip your paper over and do the same. it should be easy to do this fold because of all the other folds that we did. Now it should look like this. So now fold this flap away and fold this flap up and line up these three ends together. Now we need to repeat the same thing to the opposite side. Now it should look like this. Alright. So now one side will be the head and the other side is going to be the tail. So my right side will be the head and my left side will be the tail. Now grab the head and bring it out just a little and fold. Now we're going to do the same to the tail, but we're going to bring it out just a little more than the head. It should look like this. Now, for the head, we need to make the beak. So just separate these two and push this in. To push these two ends together to make the beak. So now we're almost done. These two are the wings. So now just take your fingers and bend the wings so they're getting ready to flap. Bend it about maybe 5 to 6 times. Alright, so now grab the tail and just pull it out so your wings will get flapping. And voila! Our crane is ready! So I hope you guys enjoyed our flapping crane tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any other fun videos. And I'll see you guys next time on Fanvi's World. Bye for now!